The Ioniq 5 dead battery problem has been last for the past 30 days or maybe 2 months. I saw this people were saying they bring it to dealership or some buy a battery, but I just couldn't decide. And yesterday when the dealership told me you must replace the battery before they can make further diagnosis, I finally decided to buy the very best die-hard Platinum AGM battery. And I asked the advanced auto parts store to remove the error code, to clear the code. And now the CCA, which means code cranking empire, is 70 plus 100 more than the rated 680. So my battery never dies again. So this is my first day after replacing the battery. And my car also had all kinds of problems, like dead battery after 1 day of using AC, and discharge while at the DC fast charging station, or even a dead battery and all kinds of serious error code. But now all the problems is gone. This is my first day replacing it. I hope it goes on well.